Best deals.
1. Container. Crafted from pure borosilicate glass, this kitchen storage container offers superior durability and keeps your food items fresh for longer and adds a modern and stylish touch. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Paper towel holder. Innovative standing paper towel holder with an integrated 60 ml removable spray bottle, perfect for quick kitchen clean-ups, countertop spills, and everyday wiping needs. Equipped with a powerful suction base that sticks firmly to smooth surfaces like tiles, glass, marble, and wood. Made from high-quality stainless steel with a brushed nickel finish for durability, rust resistance, and a modern look that complements any kitchen or dining space. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Soup. Easily separate fat from soup with precision designed small holes, ensuring healthier soup consumption. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Cooker. Ergonomically and aesthetically designed, easy grip, stay cool handle with special lock arrangement for unidirectional rotation, non-porous, hygienic, durable, beautiful high luster finish, even heat distribution without developing hot spots, economical fuel consumption and energy efficient lid type. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Pan. Featuring grill grids and comes with a stainless steel lid. It also includes stainless steel lid. Outer layer is coated with hammer tone coat to resist overheating. Experience a lifetime of cooking enjoyment with this cookware. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Pear Cora. Sharp stainless steel teeth pierce skins easily and cut smoothly through fruit flesh, allowing the core to lift out in one clean motion. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Vacuum storage bags. The inflatable mattress pump is small and lightweight. At a travel-friendly dimension, you can easily take air pumps anywhere you go. The air extraction pod's diameter of Smart Saver vacuum storage bag pump is about 1 inch, which is suitable for various types of vacuum sealing bags outlet valve. You don't need to use your strength to pull and push the hand pump again and again to take the air out of the vacuum storage bags. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Storage clips. Heavy-duty sealing clip. Durable food clips create an airtight seal to lock in freshness. Perfect bag clips for food storage is a packet sealer clip for snacks, flour, and coffee. Ideal plastic clips for food packets. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Mold. Made of reliable PP plastic, safe, strong and durable, and the smooth surface makes it comfortable to touch. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Lunch box. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel with a sophisticated mirror matte finish that offers both aesthetic appeal and lasting durability. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel with a sophisticated mirror matte finish that offers both aesthetic appeal and lasting durability. Comes with a premium stainless steel spoon and an elegant, insulated bag. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Paniyaram pan. 100% non-toxic, free from PTFE, PFOA, PFAS, lead and cadmium. Cooks safely without any harmful chemicals. Even heat distribution, ensures perfectly cooked meals every time. Compatible with all cooktops, works on gas, induction, ceramic, electric stoves. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Container. Made from food-grade material, this plastic container for kitchen is durable and unbreakable, knowing it's safe, sturdy, and easy to identify contents with the transparent body. This airtight container for baby food locks in freshness and flavor, keeping food safe from moisture and air. Perfect for snacks, dry fruits, and baby food, ensuring your items stay fresh for longer. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Casserole. An elegant, silver finish wrapped in retro aesthetics, this hot pot blends timeless beauty with everyday function. Keeps your food hot and fresh for hours without electricity or reheating. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Funnels. With a multi-purpose large funnel, just put it on bottles or cans, then pouring fresh fruit jars, delicious coffee, sweet candy etc. The 1.65 inches wide mouth is large enough for transferring most food. Specially designed wide open funnel, can be stacked up, easy for storage and carrying. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Kneading bag. Made of food-grade silicone and BPA-free, kneading tools are available to prevent dust from splashing everywhere. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Knife and peeler. Is designed with dual functions. One side as a blade, can be used to cut fruit and vegetable, the other end as a peeler, used to peel fruit and vegetable. Metal clasp can easily open it. The sheath is made of plastic materials, which can cutter and dust proof. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Table cover. This heavy-duty tablecloth is odorless, heat-resistant, waterproof, oil-proof, stain-proof. It provides a great protection of your kitchen table from scratches and glue during your kids' art. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Cutlery holder. Features divided sections for organizing forks, spoons, knives, chopsticks, and other utensils with ease. Stylish black and white finish adds a clean, modern touch to your kitchen decor. Built-in drainage slots help keep utensils dry and clean, reducing moisture buildup. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Egg mold. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these egg rings are designed to create perfect eggs and pancakes every time in your egg pan. Ideal for pancake makers and omelette makers, they ensure even cooking and easy release. Featuring heat-resistant silicone handles, these egg rings for frying eggs provide a secure grip while cooking. They're essential cooking gadgets for anyone looking to master the art of creating mini pancake makers and egg mold breakfast sandwiches. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Squeeze mop. Is built with a heavy-duty stainless steel handle and durable plastic to last for years with proper use and care. The super absorbent polyvinyl acetate sponge head cleans gently without scratching and is safe for all floor surfaces including tile, laminate, marble, and wood. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Almond cutter. The unique design of this kitchen tool prioritizes safety by keeping your hands away from the built-in blades. Enjoy expert slicing without the risk, making it the safest choice for your kitchen. This design ensures a clean, safe, and efficient slicing experience, eliminating the hassles of washing and wiping. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Cookware set. Indulge in guilt-free cooking with the technologically advanced Metatough 5-layer non-stick coating. This exceptional feature minimizes the use of oil. Also, it is meticulously crafted to be 100% free from PFOA, lead, cadmium, nickel and arsenic. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Laundry basket. Made from food-grade, unbreakable plastic that ensures long-lasting durability. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Electric kettle. Features an elegant stainless steel body with a 1.7 L capacity. It is equipped with a built-in thermometer and a visible water level indicator. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Coconut scrapers. Good quality synthetic rubber used to create vacuum for firm holding of machine on flat kitchen platform. Super silent motor, consumes very less electricity. Grinder wheel provided for sharpening home knives. Use 2 drops machine oil in 50 days. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Sponge holder. Efficiently stores a variety of cleaning tools, including bottles, brushes, sponges, and hand sanitizer, helping you keep your kitchen cleaning supplies organized. Features a hollow bottom and inclined water tray for quick and automatic drainage into the sink, ensuring mess-free use, helping to maintain a clean and organized counter. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Steamer basket. Made of 18 panels can steam variety of foods. Steam foods preserves flavor and nutrients. You can steam veg like broccoli, cauliflower, or potatoes as well as larger proteins like chicken or seafood. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Fan. is a must-have accessory for everyone on the go. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to carry in your bag or pocket, so you can stay cool wherever you are. Whether you are commuting to work or attending outdoor events, the small fan is the perfect companion for hot summer days. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Plates. Ideal for serving sweets, snacks, gravies, rice and upma, dahi vada. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Cookpot. A versatile kitchen companion designed for convenience and efficiency. Features: premium stainless steel build, crafted from high quality, food-grade stainless steel for durability, even heat distribution, and long-lasting performance. Multifunctional design, cookpot, perfect for boiling, steaming, or making delicious curries and soups. Strainer attachment, ideal for rinsing and draining ingredients with ease. Steamer insert, great for steaming vegetables, dumplings, or fish while retaining nutrients. Idli plates, includes 4 plates, each with 4 cavities, allowing you to make 16 perfectly shaped, soft, and fluffy idlis in one go. User-friendly handles, heat-resistant handles for a secure and comfortable grip. Works seamlessly on gas stoves, induction cooktops, and electric stoves. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Electric chopper. Time-saving solution for busy moms. Chop, mince, whisk, peel and make baby food quickly with single press operation, so you can spend less time in the kitchen and more time with your family. The garlic peeler attachment removes up to 80% of the skin in one go, saving time and keeping your hands odor-free. The egg whisker makes preparing fluffy omelets, lassi, whipped cream, and smooth batters effortless, cutting down on manual effort and ensuring perfect consistency every time. Premium quality 304 stainless steel 6D blades and durable ABS plastic, sharp, rust-free, and toxin-free blades ensure uniform chopping, while the sturdy ABS plastic body makes it lightweight yet long-lasting. Press and release button for precise chopping. Get the perfect texture for your ingredients with simple press and release control. Monitor and control chopping. Press for a few seconds for coarse cuts, repeat for a medium texture, or continue for a fine mince or puree. No over-processing, just the right consistency for salads, curries, baby food, or meat dishes every time. Product link is given in the 31st link. 32. Yogurt maker. Easily transform curd or plain yogurt into thick, delicious Greek-style yogurt by simply straining out whey in your fridge. Supports healthy gut and high-protein diets. Create yogurt rich in natural probiotics and protein, perfect for smoothies, bowls, and meal prep. Built-in whey strainer mesh. Fine mesh inner container gently strains out excess water, leaving behind thick, creamy yogurt with perfect texture. Large 2.5-liter capacity. Make large batches in one go, ideal for families, fitness diets, or weekly meal planning. Reusable and BPA-free materials, includes BPA-free outer container, strainer, and lid, safe, durable, and eco-friendly. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe. All parts are removable and dishwasher safe for its durable and sturdy ensure longevity and durability without any hassle-free experience after years of use. Product link is given in the 32nd link. 33. Citrus squeezer. This item is a creative lemon juicer in kitchen, made of food-safe stainless steel, not easy to get rusty, suitable for practical and long-term use. Easy clean and use. You only need to cut the lemon in half. Then slowly squeeze and rotate the top. Squeeze out all the juice. After use, rinse with water and hang upside down on the drying rack to dry. The juicer squeezer has no sharp edge. You don't have to worry about being hurt by the squeezer. With this juicer, enjoy tasty fresh squeezed juice any time of the day. This handy stainless steel juicer is great to quickly extract juice from lemon, lime, orange and other juicy fruits. The juicer is dishwasher safe for easy cleanup, and its heavy-duty construction ensures long-lasting performance. Ideal for home kitchens or juice lovers, it's designed for convenience and efficiency. Product link is given in the 33rd link. 34. Milk Maker. The 600 ml Nut Milk Maker is a multifunctional kitchen appliance to make vegan milk from nuts, seeds, almonds, soya, oats or boil water or make juice, cereals. Features a 600W powerful motor and durable stainless steel blades that quickly blends and strains your nuts to create a smooth and creamy milk without any grit or pulp. Comes with 6 function options: soya milk, juice, water, nut milk, cereals and clean. Press the function button to select the desired function. In case you need preset the time manually as per requirement, use the preset delay timer to set the timer from 1 to 12 hours. 304 stainless steel interior and easy clean exterior. Perfect 800 ml size for single servings. Touch control, presets, and auto shut-off make blending hot soup simple. Heat leftovers, make nut milk, or enjoy a hot cup of tea. It's truly multi-purpose. Quickly make healthy soups, vegan milks, and more with this one appliance. Powerful 600W heating and 250W motor for rapid heating and blending. 6-in-1 multifunctional soup maker helps to make vegetable juices, milkshakes, smoothies, milks, cocktails, baby purees and more. 6 preset cooking functions: smooth, chunky, compote, jam, reheat, blend. Automatic blending and heating. High-speed extraction blade with stainless steel blades makes fresh soup within 25 minutes whenever you want. Its smart processing system extracts the full nutritional value from each grain, ensuring that no vitamin or mineral ever goes to waste. Product link is given in the 34th link.